Hey everybody, Chris here from ZR Tactical. We're at the range testing a new product. This is going to be our V-Spec guide rod. You may have seen this teased on Instagram, but it's going to go into production here very soon. So we're going to shoot it through a Walther PDP Pro X PMM. We're going to shoot it through a PDP Pro SD. We're going to shoot it through a 5-inch poly match. And then, because I only brought 3, we're going to have to do a quick spring change, or we're going to run one through a 4-inch PDP F Pro 4-inch. So give me just a second here. We'll get these things going and let's send some rounds down range. This is compact. We got, all right, this is the PDP Pro X, or as they call it on all the cool kids call it the PDX. That is really soft. All right, we're going straight from a factory comped gun to a regular 4-inch. Still feels very flat, noticeably not quite as soft as the PDX, but it's remarkable compared to stock. We're gonna bring out the big dog. I did take out the long stroke. Only goes back so far. So these all have the V-Spec. That is super soft. So here we go. That is the best F I've ever shot. That's really nice. Yeah. V-Spec guide rod coming soon. Stay tuned to our socials, this channel, our newsletter. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me you want to see more of it. We'll get this thing going. I expect to see this on the website in the next week or so. So let me know if you got any questions. Shoot me a comment, shoot us an email, contact page. We look forward to hearing from you. But this is going to be a little bit of a game changer.